Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a shop my stash. Basically, rather than buying and talking about new products, you go shopping in your own collection, you go shopping in your own stash and rediscover old favorites that you've not used in a while. I absolutely love discovering old favorites. I just feel like it's just, I don't know, it kind of makes me feel excited about makeup again, and especially when it's favorites that I was loving and using on YouTube, you know, like 5-6 years ago. I don't know, it's lots of fun. So I have, of course, been through my stash. I've pulled out a bunch of faves that I have not used here on my channel. Well, probably definitely not in the last year. These are all old faves and I'm excited to use them. So first up, skin prep. And like, honestly, I'm just having the hardest time with puffiness under my eyes. I think maybe it's partly contributed to hay fever. Maybe it's partly water retention. I'm not sure. But I was going through my skincare and I rediscovered this amazing, amazing product here. So this is from the brand, I think it's called CosRx. This is a Korean skincare brand. And I know you guys have heard me talk about this before, but I buy all of my K-beauty, all of my Korean skincare and Korean makeup off YesStyle. YesStyle is honestly one of my favorite websites. It's kind of like the Sephora of Korean beauty. It's amazing. They literally have every single thing. And I always end up filling up my cart on there with like an insane number of things, like 20 different things. I've got a problem, okay? But CosRx is one of the brands that they do stock on there. They've literally got every big name Korean skincare brand. Also, I've been buying my SK2 on there and also my Tatcha on there because it's way more affordable. They've always got sales on, the shipping's quick. It's just an awesome website. And with that in mind as well, and I've had this code for years and you guys are welcome to use it if you want, but also totally fine if you do not want to. If you want to get anything from YesStyle, you can use the code Nikkia10. It will get you 10% off your entire order, but there is a minimum spend of $49 USD. It is an affiliate code, just so you know. You're welcome to use it, like I said. You're welcome to not use it. But this here, oh my gosh, I have been obsessed with these for years. This is the CosRx Advanced Snail Hydrogel Eye Patch. These are basically eye patches that stick on the skin underneath the eyes, and they just give you the most hydrated, refreshed feeling under eye area. It's kind of like, you know, that feeling of putting cucumber underneath your eyes or on your eyes, and it's just like, oh, they feel way less inflamed, way less puffy. I don't know why I haven't pulled these out in a while because it's such an awesome product. They do also come with their own pair of little tweezers, which is cool. And you can use the tweezers to like pull little patches out. You basically just stick them on the under eye area. A couple of reasons why I love these. Firstly, they are large and in charge. So they don't just do the under eye area, they also really hydrate the cheeks. They feel so incredibly good on the skin. Oh, if I could even tell you how good that feels right now on my face. Like, my face just feels so puffy and irritated. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that it is hay fever. I don't know though. These just give so much hydration, but without being like sticky or heavy. I pretty much always whip these out when I'm looking to have my skin look absolutely perfect. So if I've got like a big event or, you know, I'm wanting like snatched foundation, I will always pull these out, put them on. Normally I'll wear them like while I do my hair or something. You can wear these ones for like 20-30 minutes. I'm just going to do 10 minutes today because I'm in a little bit of a rush. Once you try Korean skincare, you will not go back. And like, that's almost a guarantee. You just get addicted. The results that you get from Korean skincare products are far beyond like Western skincare products. The ingredients that they use are amazing. I just need this today. I really do. All right, so I'm going to wear these for 10 minutes and then I'm going to come back and we're going to keep on going. Okay, back again, and I've just pulled the patches off. And what I tend to do is, it's like a really lightweight kind of, I would call it a gel, like a water-based gel. I basically like rub it into the skin, press it into your skin. Your skin will absorb it all. And you can also take it and literally spread it over your entire face. The puffiness is gone, literally. Oh, my face feels so much better. So, moving on to prepping the skin for foundation now. And I've actually got another Korean skincare product, totally by accident. But I was going through all of my primers and I was like, oh, I remember this primer. I remember being obsessed with this, but I haven't used it for a while. It is the Touch in Sol Icy Sherbet Primer. Again, you can buy Touch in Sol on YesStyle. This primer has the strangest consistency and it actually has a cooling effect on the skin. So I figured, you know, feeling puffy, feeling irritated, want to be more refreshed, Let's go with a cooling primer. Have a look at this when you pull it off. It is the craziest thing. It is like this gel. It's like this firm kind of gel texture. Feels like it would be packed with silicone, but it's actually silicone free. Like, look at this consistency. It's like really thick and it kind of like holds its shape. But this just feels so good when you apply it. It instantly cools. It feels like, I mean, even though this hasn't been kept in like the refrigerator, it feels on your skin like it has been kept in the refrigerator. It's so refreshing and it gives you the most beautiful, smooth canvas. I do also find that this one does a pretty good job at minimizing shine throughout the day. Oh my God, this feels so good. Oh, I remember why I was obsessed with this. I love it. Oh, no, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, it does a really, really good job at keeping the skin shine-free and matte during the day. I do find that it minimizes pores and everything. And you'll notice, like, when you use this, it kind of dries down to the most beautiful, like, it's like a velvety finish on the skin. It honestly feels incredible. I couldn't recommend this primer anymore. Again, I buy it from Yes Style. I get all of my Touch and Sol from Yes Style. Like I said, normally like they've always got sales on over there. So you'll be able to get your K-Beauty even cheaper. Okay, for foundation, we are going with the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric. I did want to use the Luminous Silk, but I literally have none left. It's on my list of things to repurchase, but I thought Power Fabric is close enough. Power Fabric is like a more full coverage version of the formula and it's a little bit more matte on the skin. It gives lots and lots of coverage but without like feeling heavy. It's a very, very lightweight formula. Look how beautiful this is on the skin. Like just, I'm obsessed with this foundation and it's so lightweight. Like it just gives this incredible coverage and this incredible blurring effect, but without feeling heavy, without feeling cakey, without feeling any of those things that we don't want to feel. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm basically just going to blend this everywhere. And then we're going to do some cream contouring, which I'm excited about. And it's actually a cream contourer. It's the Fenty one. Haven't used this in the longest time and I feel like I almost forget if I like it or not. So we're about to find out. Sorry, my bad. Before we jump into contouring, we're of course going to be doing concealer first. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm just excited. Okay. Do we remember the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealers? I certainly lost my mind over these when they were first released and I'm pretty sure that we all did collectively as a group. These are an incredible formula and I'm not sure why I haven't fished this out in a while. It's a beautiful, beautiful full coverage, really creamy. I've actually got a fresh one. Maybe it's been used a little bit. I got a fresh one here. This is the shade Custard. Really, really beautiful creamy formula. It's got amazing coverage. They last really, really well on the skin. I'm just applying it with our cream blend brush. And I'm actually going to be doing like the inner corners of my eyes. Like I said, you know, I'm feeling puffy. I'm feeling like I look like a bit tired. So I'm going to really focus on brightening that inner eye area. And then I'm going to go in with a sponge and blend that out. Oh, it's so beautiful. Why did I stop using this? I honestly love these videos where you rediscover old faves. It's just, I don't know, it just makes me feel excited about makeup. I can't explain. I love it. Oh, this is just beautiful on the skin. I feel like I'm going to have a good skin day. I'm feeling positive vibes here, okay? So we've got more than enough coverage now. I feel like I'm looking bright, I'm looking refreshed, I'm looking less tired, and certainly less puffy. So we're winning so far. So let's get into this Fenty cream bronzer. I can't explain, like, I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I've been dying, screaming, gagging, obsessed with the She Glam liquid bronzers, and I've been pretty much using them exclusively since I purchased it. But I do seem to remember being obsessed with this. So this is the Fenty cream bronzer, like I've probably already said a million times. I have the shade Teddy, which is kind of like a really good balance between warm and cool. I'm going to go in with this big Sigma brush and I'm going to pick this up. Oh, it actually looks a lot deeper on the brush than it looks in the pan. So I'm going to put this in all the areas where I would normally contour. I've also been enjoying like a double like contour moment. I just feel like it really like pulls your face, lifts your face, snatches your face. Always good. Hopefully this blends out because I've officially put it everywhere. I do seem to remember loving this. And I mean, does Fenty really ever come out with products that we don't all love? Rarely. Very, very rarely. So I feel positive vibes, okay? Going back in with the sponge again to blend this one out. Oh, okay, they blend out really easy and really beautifully. That is beautiful on the skin. Really, really lightweight. And it's not sticky. It's kind of like a powdery finish, which we love. Obviously, being an oily skin type, that helps me out a lot. Oh, that is so pretty and so easy to blend. Like if you're after a cream bronzer that's not gonna you know, be difficult. Because I feel like a lot of the time people are like, ooh, cream bronzing, that seems too intense. It seems like it's just going to be, you know, hard to pull off. It's going to be patchy. It's going to melt. I understand like the hesitation with it, but this one's beautiful. Would I recommend this expensive high-end one over the $5 She Glam one though? I really wouldn't, honestly. Like, I mean, it's a beautiful formula, but for $5, I can get the same finish on the skin. So it is what it is. And then we've done some cream contouring. We might as well do a cream blush as well. And speaking of She Glam, I am going to use their blushes today as well, just because they're so good. I have every color in my collection now. Like, the addiction is real. This shade here is Devoted. This one's more of like a pretty coral. I mean, they come in a bunch of different shades. They do have shimmer ones as well. But like, look at that. 2 seconds, lasts all day, won't transfer, won't fade. And really, really lightweight on the skin. Like, they don't actually add any texture. They just add like this wash of color. It's so pretty. So blending that all in. I feel like I might actually go in with the second layer of the Fenty bronzer. I just feel like it's not quite deep enough. I'm not looking as bronzy as I want. It might be because I blended it out with the sponge that has, like, that I applied the foundation and concealer on. So it might have sort of like overpower the pigmentation. Hold that thought. I'm going to do a second coat and then I'll be back. Okay, that's better. I just did 2 layers. I don't know. I feel like I accidentally blended the first one away, but she's looking bronzy now. So I'm up to setting down the skin. It wouldn't be my channel if I wasn't using my own setting powder. I don't know what else to say. I'll have a finishing powder. I'm going to be using our pressed one today. This one is still in stock. They keep selling out, you guys. What an incredible problem to have. I'm so thankful for the support, and I'm just so, like, it's just so incredible how much you guys love these. It's honestly amazing. So I'm going to be using the pressed version today, but I'm going to be applying it with something different. Now, you've seen me use these on Instagram and on TikTok, and you've definitely seen them here on my channel, but I've never actually been able to talk about it because these are actually launching on Boxing Day. So December 26th, these will be available for you guys to purchase. And these are our Nikkia Cosmetics powder puffs. So they come in like a little 2-pack. Basically, these are little padded velour powder puffs. They're so cute. They're like a little triangular shape. You put your fingers in here, you rub it in the powder, and you apply it. They're really plush, and they're covered in this amazing velvety, like, gorgeous texture. And what this does is it really evenly disperses the powder. You can use these as well for setting powders. You can use them for powder foundations, bronzers, blushes, literally anything. Eyeshadow you can use them for. It's really good for getting into like the contours of your face, under your eyes, around your nose. But the finish that these give on the skin is absolutely next level. They just make everything look so airbrushed. So I go into the powder and then I sort of get rid of the excess on the back of my hand, and then I just press into the skin. Literally every single pore gone, every fine line gone, all texture gone. I mean, obviously I'm using it with our Velvet finishing powder, but you're welcome to use whatever powder you want. But I mean, look, instant results. Look at this side of my face in comparison to this side where I haven't set it down. Oh, I love these. Now, very quickly before I do go on with eyeliner, I'm going to take the Benefit Hoola Caramel Bronzer. Another OG fave in my collection that I just feel like I have not used anywhere near enough lately. Taking that on a little blending brush, I'm literally just going to 2 seconds smudge that through my crease. I want a little bit of shadow, a little bit of definition, but yeah, I want the eyes to be sort of focused on the lashes and on the wings. Now, I'm going to be wearing my makeup for a lot of hours today, like a lot of hours. So for eyeliner, had to be the KVD Tattoo Ink. Oh, it's just such a good liquid eyeliner. I'm thinking I'm going to keep the wing right in the outer corner again. This is like a technique I've been doing a lot of lately. Basically, you don't carry your eyeliner any further in towards the inner corner of the eye past the pupil. And it gives the eyes this really awesome, like feminine elongated shape, but without overcrowding the lid space. So dragging that out because my eyes are slightly hooded. Pulling it up into a little wing there. This eyeliner is like the OG fave of not smudging, not transferring, not bleeding, not giving you panda eyes. It is just that good. It never lets you down. Like if you're after an eyeliner that's just going to get you through, this is the one. Okay, little half wing done. See how it's just like, it's not too overpowering, but you've still got a wing, but you've still got all of this empty lid space. It's just like a lighter, neater kind of way to do it. I don't know. I've been obsessed with it lately. So for mascara, another mascara, well, another product that I haven't used in ages, and I'm like, why have I not been using this? So as I was going through all of my mascaras in my drawer, by the way, she needs decluttering so bad. I really enjoyed doing the primer declutter. I'm going to film another one soon and post it here on my channel for you guys. But I'll tell you what, my mascara drawer is out of control. But this is the Kill Lash Superproof Mascara from Clio Professional. Clio is another Korean brand, a really incredible Korean brand. Again, available on Yes Style if you want to purchase it and have a look at like some of their other products. Their products are really awesome. I really recommend them. But this is their long curling, basically this is a waterproof, smudge-proof, lengthening and curling mascara. And I absolutely love it. It's got the tiniest little wand. You guys will know probably if you've been subscribed to my channel for any amount of time. My favorite mascaras obviously are ones that don't smudge and don't transfer, but are ones that have tiny little wands, because I don't have the largest eyes. I don't have the largest lashes, like I'm quite small, and so many mascaras, the wands are just so huge. I've got no chance of getting them on my lashes without getting the actual mascara all over my eyelids. This formula is awesome. This brush is awesome. It is a waterproof mascara as well, and I do have like a number of other products from this brand as well. Like their eyeliners are amazing. A lot of their other makeup is amazing. Honestly, like you'll fall down the Yes Style trap, I'm telling you, because K-Beauty is quite affordable as well. And with the sales, you probably will end up filling up your shopping cart in the same way that I do. Like, it's a trap. I'm not going to tell you that it's not a trap, because it really is a trap. So I'm going to do a couple of coats of this, and then I might pop some outer corner lashes on, and then we'll just have lips left. Yay! Okay, eyes are all done. I've just popped a couple of individual lashes on the outer corner. There may be news coming about individual lashes soon. I don't know. I can't say yay or nay. I don't know. So lastly, we are doing the lips, and I went with two lip products that just have been ride or die faves over the years, and I was like, well, if we're shopping the stash, we need to go with the OG faves. MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. I'm sure you guys remember this had an error on the internet. I'm pretty sure it was actually Kylie Jenner. Like, this sold out literally everywhere. It's a really pretty, it's like a pinky, nude, brown, mauvey kind of a color. And to be fair, it looks different on every single skin tone, but it's just stunning. And it goes with every single lip color. You can do this with a nude, you can do it with a red, you can do it with a plum, you can do it with an orange. You can wear this color with anything. So I'm going to line my lips with this first, and then I'm going to kind of fill in the outer corners just to add a little color and a little definition. And then the Cupid's bow. It's kind of like a really subtle ombre kind of vibe. And then to add some gloss and some shine and some more color, the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the original shade Fenty Glow. You should have seen me when Fenty first launched in Sephora here in Australia. Like, I was like queued up at the door. I purchased it immediately. This is the lip gloss that I originally purchased, and I keep refilling it. I keep rebuying it. It is the prettiest, most universal, gorgeous color, and I love the formula. Look at these two lip products together. Have you ever seen anything prettier? It's just perfect. Well, here you go, guys. This is how the look came out. Really flawless skin. I love the way that like that bronzing and the contour and everything came out. Really natural eye with a wig and some lashes and a glossy lip. I love it, and this has been really fun. I tell you what, all of the products that I have used in today's video, I'm like, yes, I need to re-add these into my daily use pile. Things just get so lost in your collection, and so I'm gonna say, before you go and buy something new, say you're wanting to go to Sephora, just have a look in your old stash, because you may rediscover your passion for some products that you haven't loved in a while, like I have today. And I don't know, it might make you feel excited about makeup in the same way that it has me. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Let me know all of your thoughts. Let me know what you think of the look. Let me know any old faves that you have rediscovered lately. And I just hope that you all have a really good day. I love you guys heaps, and I will catch you in my next video.